In our statistics, third central measure tendency is mode. Mode is nothing but which occurs most frequently value of the observations is known as mode, denoted by Z. This is most important. So in group data, mode, find the mode of 5, 10, 15, 5. In this data, 5 is more times came. That's why mode Z equal to 5. Next one is find the mode of 1, 4, 5, 7, 9, 4, 7. In this data, 4 and 7, two numbers come same times. That's why mode Z equal to 4, 7. So next group data. In group data, the table shows the students secured marks in SA1 like this: 0 to 10 marks 2 students, 10 to 20 marks 8 students, 20 to 30 marks 12 students, 30 to 40 marks 10 students, 40 to 50 marks 8 students. This is the given data. Here find out the mode. So first write down the formula. Mode Z equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is least boundary of the model class, F1 is highest frequency, F0 is preceding of the highest frequency, F2 is succeeding of the highest frequency, H is size of the class. Now observe the table. So marks in our technical term, that is class interval, students technical term is frequency. In this frequency, highest frequency is 12. So highest frequency 12 is F1 value. So remaining all values depending upon 12 only. That's why 12 is called here model. So all values depending upon this model. That's why. So F1 highest frequency is 12 F1. Next L, least boundary of the model class. This is model class, model. Least boundary of the model, 20 plus 20 by 2, 40 by 2, 20. 20 plus 20 by 2, 40 by 2, 20. L over. Next F0, preceding frequency of the model. This is model. Preceding frequency of the model, F0 is 8. Next F2, succeeding frequency of the model. Succeeding frequency, this is model, succeeding frequency of the model, F2 equal to 10. Next H, difference between order boundaries. Difference between order boundaries, 10 minus 0, 20 minus 10, whatever it may be, all are same. That's why 10 minus 0, 10 minus 0, that is 10. All values are there. These all values substitute in this formula. So L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the values. 20 plus 12 minus 8 by 2 into 12 minus 8 minus 10 into 10. So 20 plus 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 by 24 minus 8 minus 10 minus 18 into 10. 20 plus 4 by 24 minus 8, that is 6 into 10. 20 plus 40, 4 into 10, 40 by 6. 20 plus 40 by 6 is 6.66. So 20 plus 66. Here mode is 20 plus 66. Okay, thank you.